Hey there, if you have short lashes, sparse lashes, or very thinning lashes like mine, I'm going to show you these two products and how they will completely transform your lashes. I've been wearing these two for 10 years, so my lashes are in quite good condition, but as I've got to 45, they have just gone really thin and fine. They're not as thick as they used to be. So it's a really easy two-step process. This is a primer. It's called Forget Fake Lashes. Won loads and loads of awards, but more importantly has tons of loyal customers. You put a small coat on, roots, wriggle, twist and roll. Let that dry for about 30 seconds and then you apply the mascara over the top. This kit is on offer. It's called the Lash Kit. I'll put a link so you can get access to the offer. Both the brushes are the same, so they have very wide gaps between the bristles. The formula's quite dry. The brush is really old-fashioned. It's an old school brush. None of these fancy new marketing flimsy brushes. It's pretty sturdy. You get it to the roots, you wriggle it back and forth and twist and roll. That twist and roll is going to separate and lengthen so that you don't get any clumps in your lashes. Roots, wriggle, twist and roll. It's water resistant, and if you're not sure what the difference is between water resistant and waterproof, so water resistant, I can walk the dog in the rain and it won't run or smudge. I can have a good laugh and good cry and it literally won't budge. But I can't dive into a swimming pool and rub my eyes. That's what the difference between waterproof and water resistant is. And waterproof tends to be heavier. So the reason this is water resistant is you can get this amazing, I mean, look at this. You can get this amazing volume and length and it will stay all day. Whereas sadly with waterproof, you get that lash droop at lunchtime. So just look at the difference. My lashes are really well conditioned, so they're super soft and nourishing, and it comes straight off with a water-based cleanser at night. Have a read of the reviews and you'll see why everyone loves this Lash Dream Team.